Hey guys, blogging is the great way to express your thoughts to the world. You can share your message to the world with the help of blogging. Blogging is a written word communication. So you can communicate very effectively with written words with your target audience with the blogging. But in the blogging, if you want to successfully run the blogging, you have to use the proper content management system and you have to use the proper plugins. So here you have to, I highly recommend you to go with the WordPress. And when you are using the WordPress, the main advantage with the WordPress is the plugins and themes. In the WordPress, for every functionality there is a particular plugin. So in this video I am telling you the 13 best WordPress plugins for your successful blogging career. So guys, first of all we have to choose the right SEO plugin. So you can choose either Rank Math or Yoast. So both works very well. So I tried the both plugins. So both works very well. Choose Yoast or Rank Math. In Rank Math, so some premium features you will get in the free version also. So that is the one advantage with the Rank Math. The next plugin is the Akismet. So Akismet anti-spam. See, this plugin will help you to reduce the spam comments on your WordPress websites. Whenever publishing WordPress blog post, then there is a high chance to get the spam comments. So it is a very headache to control these comments manually. So that's why you need solution. For that you can use the Akismet anti-spam WordPress plugin. Next plugin is the ad inserter. So guys, so whenever you are monetizing your blog with either Google AdSense or affiliate marketing, then you have to display the ad code or affiliate banner at the right place. Okay, like after third paragraph, after title, before post, after content, like that you have to display the your ad code or affiliate banner. For that purpose you can use the ad inserter WordPress plugin. Next plugin is the WP code. So if you want to insert the Google Analytics code or Facebook Pixel code, in that case this WP code plugin will help you a lot. So the next plugin is the One Signal. Guys, One Signal plugin will help you to integrate the push notifications to your WordPress website or blog. Push notifications are very important. So when you integrate the push notification to your WordPress, you will get the recurring traffic. Okay, you will get the recurring traffic. So next plugin is the Click to Start. If you want to integrate the WhatsApp start to your WordPress website, you can proceed with the Click to Start WordPress plugin. The next plugin is the WP Spectra. If you are using the Gutenberg for a blogging purpose, I highly recommend you to go with the blog editor or Gutenberg. So then we can use the WP Spectra to enhance the design of our blog post. So next plugin you can use the Thirsty Affiliates. If you are monetizing your blog with the affiliate marketing, then this particular plugin is very helpful. So to cloak the affiliate links, we can use the plugin like Thirsty Affiliates. The next plugin is the Dynamic Month. So guys, so the plugin itself displays the date and month, year, the dynamic mode. You don't need to change every time manually. Okay, so whenever year changes, whenever month changes, then if you want to change that, you have to change it manually. But whenever using this particular dynamic month plugin, then you no need to update the manually. So it automatically update the year. Whenever year changes, it automatically update the month whenever a month changes. The next plugin is the Lightspeed Cache. Guys, if your hosting is powered by Lightspeed server, then I highly recommend you to go with the Lightspeed Cache. So or you can go with the W3 Total Cache. So both plugins also works better. The next plugin is the Minimal Coming Soon. Guys, whenever if you want to put your blog under maintenance or coming soon mode, so in the initial stage you have to put your blog in the coming soon mode. So at that place, so minimal coming soon page will help you. In case if you want to put in the maintenance mode also, you can use this particular plugin. The next plugin is the very important one, that is Starbox. So guys, if you want to display the other box very beautifully, and if you want to display the other box including recent posts, so like that, in that case this Starbox plugin will help you a lot. The next plugin is the Updraft Plus. This is the very important plugin, guys. So because So you are writing a lot of articles, publishing it and earning, but you have to take care of your website backup. So the backup will be take care of by this particular plugin Updraft. This plugin is very helpful and must and should every WordPress blogger must aware of this particular tool. I hope these 13 plugins will help you to take your blogging game to the next level. If you have any further doubts, you can comment below or you can reach out to me. Okay guys, thank you.